Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to delete a template in Asana. So this is actually pretty simple and straightforward, so just follow my steps. First, go right here to customize, so click on it, and you should see a template right here. If you don't see it right here, I will show you where you can find it. Just go down, open up your project with your templates, and then click on customize right here. Now you should see task templates. Click on it. Now here are your task templates, and in order to delete them, you will just have to click on these more actions, 3 dots right next to it, and confirm the deletion with this delete button right here. Now this will delete the task template from the project. This cannot be undone or restored if you are upgraded to premium. So delete this template. It is really this simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.